Officers were called for a simple welfare check, a woman who hadn't been seen in days. But what they uncovered inside her small Las Vegas home was something no officer ever forgets. This is the moment officers found what they were looking for, and what they prayed they wouldn't.
You need to step outside right now.
Well, what have I done wrong?
I am here to check the welfare because we have concern for the safety of the lady who lives here. Is that blood?
No, I think that's shit.
On a quiet Wednesday morning, Las Vegas police were asked to check on 68-year-old Monique Gilbertson, a longtime neighbor known for walking her dog every day. For weeks, nobody had seen her. Inside her home, officers met two people acting strangely, including 37-year-old Daniel Rausch, a man she had once hired to help with repairs and later allowed to live with her. What began as concern quickly spiraled into suspicion.
I locked it, dude.
What?
The bottom one.
Gosh, that's small. God damn. Jesus.
I'm so sorry. I was like, I just got a shower. Yeah, what's going on?
Okay, yeah, we've been knocking.
Well, I rent this place.
What's your name?
My name's Jaslyn.
Where's Monique at?
Monique is I'm house sitting right now. She left town for a while.
Where is she? No, she didn't. Where is she?
No, she really did. I swear.
Okay, where is she?
I mean,
Her car's here.
I know her car's here. She has me house sitting. I have I got my rent receipt.
You're not supposed to be here. Come outside.
Huh?
Come outside.
She doesn't have anyone here.
No,
Okay,
I have rent receipts right here actually.
Okay, come outside.
Well, I'm
let's
not gonna come
talk.
outside right now. I have paperwork that I'm supposed to be here. Like, you know what I mean? And like,
Yeah, you need to come outside and show us that paperwork.
okay, I have paperwork right here. And I'm not gonna come outside right now. Though. Like, I have legal rights.
This is the,
What's your name?
My name's Jaslyn. I was
Jazz?
Yeah, Jazz. I was
Okay,
renting.
understand that I'm here to do a welfare check on the occupant of this resident. I am going to do that. You need to come out of that.
Well, she's not here right now, though.
You need to step outside right now. I am giving you a legal and lawful command. If you do not obey that command, I'm going to take you to jail and I'm going to charge you with
But
it.
I have
Step out of that door
Get
right
out of the
now.
house.
no, excuse me. No, I have rights. I call my attorney then. Like,
Okay.
I first off, Monique's not here right now. I have the paperwork right here for it.
How do you contact Monique?
I call her usually on her cell phone, but she called me yesterday from her like friend's cell phone because she said her cell phone got lost, so she had put a pause on her cell phone. You know what I mean? But yeah, I usually call her. She usually calls me on her cell phone. I talk to her every couple days. I'm watching the dogs right now and watching the birds.
Okay. So from the front office, she doesn't go anywhere without her dogs.
Yeah, I know. I've been saying that's what she had. She had an emergency. She had to go to her brother in the East Coast. So, you know what I mean? Like she's not here right now. What do you want me to do about it?
Okay. Do you have a phone number we can contact her on?
I mean, like I usually call her on her 505.
Okay, but what number did you get a phone call for?
I'd have to look at my.
I already called that number that you call her on.
Okay, well, I mean, I don't call her. She calls me generally
Okay.
every couple days. But
Come
like,
outside and talk.
I've been here since September.
Okay, that's great. Come
You
outside.
know what I mean? Huh?
Come outside.
Well, no, because I don't trust you guys. I don't really trust the situation right now.
Jazz,
You know?
you need to step outside right now.
Well, what have I done wrong?
Okay, I am here to check the welfare because we have concern for the safety of the lady who lives here.
Okay.
That is not you. You need to step out so I can check the welfare in this house.
Okay. Well,
Step out right now.
I'm a resident here, though.
It
Okay,
doesn't matter. Is
step
there
out
anybody
right
else
now.
out? Is there anybody else inside with you?
Yeah, like my wife is here as well.
Okay. You and her need to step out.
Okay, well, like, what are we doing wrong?
You're not doing anything wrong other than you are not obeying lawful commands from police officers
Listen.
to step outside.
Listen, we're just trying to get in touch with Monique because we came here to check her safety because no one's heard from her. Front office knows nothing about anyone staying here that's not her.
I mean, it's September. I'm pretty sure she told the front office. I was
No,
here.
she didn't. We just talked with the front office. Front office contacts her, they say, like 3 times a day. And she's always in contact with the front office. She never mentioned anyone else being here. Okay? We've been trying to get in touch with her. Her car's here. No one's heard from her. She doesn't answer the phone.
I mean, it's on like it wasn't like a normal thing for her to do. You know, she just kind of took off. Like, and that's why she has me house sitting. I just started renting from her a couple months ago. You know what I mean? And then like it was unexpected. She just said she got to go like to see her brother and like she had to take care of some paperwork and stuff over there. And that was pretty much it. She
Yeah,
said she'd be back
where's
soon.
her brother live?
The East Coast.
Yeah, where?
Okay.
I'm not sure exactly. I mean, you know, I've known her for a few months, but I don't know her like really
Okay.
good, you know.
So you have no, yeah, you have no way of contacting her.
I mean, I used to have her cell phone number. Like I said, her cell phone's on pause right now.
I already have her cell phone.
You have her cell phone?
What
I have
number
her
did
cell phone number.
Oh, okay, cool.
What number did she call you on yesterday?
I would have to look through my phone. Yeah.
Call your wife, like, hey, come out right now.
Okay.
You guys step outside, and then I'm gonna have a couple officers come inside to clear it, okay? Call her from right there.
But how come we have to stay outside?
Call her out.
Call her out from right there.
Okay, well, give me 1 second.
Call her out.
Okay, give me a second, please. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
She was in the shower last time I checked. Can I go check on her real quick?
Call her out.
I just tried to call her. She did. Like,
No, you didn't. You
Call louder.
You barely
Hey.
said anything.
So I'm gonna have you guys step out and have you guys wait out front while we clear the residence and make sure no one.
Well,
Make
we stay
sure
inside
it's
the
not.
residence. We rent here.
Huh?
We rent here, so we want to make sure we can like stay inside the residence. I mean, like,
We're not gonna lock you out. That's not our goal here. Once again, our only goal is to make sure Monique's okay.
that's fine. I mean, can I start like come with me and do a walkthrough?
Huh? No, I'm not gonna have you walk with me.
You know, I don't have to walk with you. You're more than welcome to. I don't want to leave the residence because your one officer made me nervous.
Okay, that's not our intention here. Okay, our intention is to conduct an investigation to find Monique. So if you and your girlfriend could step out front, maybe provide my partner with the information.
I don't know if I can for sure reach her right now because I wasn't able to reach her yesterday.
Okay, but at least provide us with a phone number to reach her on, so we can at least talk to a family member down there or something to confirm her whereabouts.
I mean, that's something I can't promise you're gonna be able to do that because
Okay.
I can't get a hold of her.
But we would like to try.
Roush insists he's renting the property. Then he claims he's house sitting and that he has papers, though none can be found. Text messages later revealed Gilbertson may have evicted him shortly before she vanished.
You're trying to think we're going to jam you up here. That is not our intention. Our only intention is to confirm her whereabouts. If we cannot confirm them and I confirm that she's not here, I'll leave you guys alone. But can you guys please step outside so I can go through the residence and make sure she's not here?
Okay, but like, you know, the one thing is like, I don't give legal rights for you guys to be able to search anything on the property except for what being.
We're not. Listen to what I say. We're here to make sure she's okay. So yeah, get your dogs and secure them and bring them outside.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Do you have leashes for them?
I don't know where she has all kinds of neck collars, but I don't know. They don't run. She don't take me on
They're in a room?
No, they're in the cage.
Cage? Okay.
Yes, they're in the cage.
Okay. Okay. Good. No, my partner.
Hello.
Come on, partner. Go over there. Okay.
Does that go through to the kitchen? On the other side?
No.
No?
It's blocked off.
Okay. Alright. I got like 9 certification.
Pee and shit everywhere. Watch out.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. So it opens up here to the right, clear this right hallway. There's another door right here. Ooh. This place is just gross, dude. Yeah, I'm concerned for where Control John 6. We're still clearing the inside. There's a ton of trash in here. Is that a door? Or does this slide over? Yeah, it does. Here, slide that over. You see the other side? Jeez. don't smell anything.
Is that blood?
No, I think that's shit.
What is this?
The freezer?
Yep.
Where's it locked at? It's right here. I think.
Yeah, it's got a key on it. Is it a Allen thing?
It's like an Allen key. If there's a body in here, dude.
I swear to God.
Is this thing even on?
Huh?
Yeah, it's on. It's running.
Officers start clearing each room. Nothing. No sign of Gilbertson. Then they find something unusual. A freezer. Locked. Covered in clothes. Sealed tight. A locksmith is called. The room goes silent as the lid finally pries open. Inside is the body of 68-year-old Monique Gilbertson, concealed beneath a sheet. Investigators later learned she may have been inside for days.
He's freaking out saying we can't open it. He's freaking out saying we can't open it.
Of course he is.
Yeah.
You go, yeah, you covered it back. I swear to God.
I can smell it already. I know the smell.
What's that?
I can tell you.
What's that?
I smell something bad.
Oh, motherfucker. I swear to God, bro. My heart's racing right now.
Mine too.
Bro.
I don't want to see it. Just give me a second.
Oh, still. There's a person in here. Go get him in handcuffs. So they stuffed her in the freezer.
Rausch's story shifted again, this time claiming he found her dead and hid her body because he didn't know what to do. But detectives say he and his wife, Gina Rausch, gave Gilbertson fentanyl. Both were indicted. Daniel Rausch for murder, Gina for drug and burglary charges. Investigators say there was more than enough evidence, and prosecutors are reviewing the case for the death penalty. A kind woman, taken advantage of by people she tried to help, and a discovery no officer should ever have to make. Want more unbelievable police discoveries like this one? Subscribe to Operation Bodycam and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.